got this request up here that I should do a separate tutorial on harmonics, how to play harmonics, how to be creative with your harmonics. So I'm going to be doing a total and a complete breakdown on how to play harmonics on the bass guitar. However, if this is the first time of coming across my channel, you're welcome. My name is Promise Bass. I'm always in this space to teach people on how to play the bass guitar for free. Also, if you have not subscribed, please click the subscribe button. And lastly, if you need a private bass tutorial class, please put I am interested in the comment section, and it's going to be very discounted, almost free. So without wasting time, let's get right into the tutorial. Okay, from my previous video, I taught on the 3 levels of pressure. Pressure is how hard you tap on your board. The amount of pressure you put into your strings that gives you the tone. Okay? Now, the first level of pressure is the one that gives you harmonics. Just put it on top of the string. You place your fingers on the string on top of the fret. Any of the frets. And it gives you harmonics. Look at it. Look at my finger. Maybe I will zoom it close. Look at it. It must be on the middle or on top of the fret. Your fret here is this iron for beginners. These are your frets. Not at the middle of the fret. On top of it. That is how you get your harmonic sound. Okay? Then if you press it further, it gives you a note. If you press the middle of the fret a bit, it gives you a mute. That is how you do your ghost note and other stuff. I've talked about ghost note before. The video is up in my channel. So how do you get creative with your harmonics? Now, first of all, you have to first of all sit down and locate where each of the notes are on the bass guitar and each unique sound. What is the key of each unique sound? That is how you'll be able to put things together. You understand? Something like this. I'm playing do so fa mi on the key of D. As you can see. So I'm playing. You understand? So every harmonics is related to a note on the bass. So this is what you do. Let's start from this. Let's start from the first fret. As you can see, it's not giving us any useful tone harmonics. So we'll skip that to the next. Let's go to the next one. That's on the key of A now. As you can see on the key of A. Good. Then let's string 2. It's a bit faint. That's on the key of E. Let's see. We are doing harmonic tracing. So next string. That's so, of course. That's on the key of B. Next. So, of course, that is do so on the key of B. So that's F sharp. Then the last string. That's C sharp. So I was able to successfully trace all my harmonics on this fret 2. So for the video not to be too long, you go home, trace every of the harmonics. This is 3rd fret. That's D. Of course, that will be do so on D. So that will be A, fret 3. So that will be another do so on A. So that will be E. So on and so forth. But here is what I was able to create from key D, key G, and some few keys on the harmonics. So key D, I was able to trace this as my do, and this as my saw on key D. You can see. So some keys are favorable when in terms of harmonics. Some keys are more favorable. So sometimes I pick key D and key G somehow around those range. So let's play our major scale on key D. So I will not rush you. Be patient to watch this video to the very end. So we trace it together one after the other. This is my Do. Let's look for T. This is me, so that's not T. Good. Are we there? So Do again. Then T. I've gotten Do and T. Let's look for La. This is La. Then So. Let's go again. So let's go for Re. And this is Re. And this is Do. We have traced all the notes. So let's play it together gradually. So with that, you can create any piece around your harmonics. So I created something like this with a funk. You understand? So you add a piece of ghost note to it. So that is it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and please share this video and click the notification bell, which is more important than all. And please check my other videos out. There might be one video you're waiting for that will help you. See you around. God bless you. Bye.